Welcome to Technology and Livelihood Education. Matatag Curriculum. Information and Communication Technology for Grade 7. Our topic is Spreadsheet Software, MS Excel. Sorting data. The content standard for this lesson is to demonstrate an understanding of using productivity software. Performance standard. The learners perform the utilization of productivity tools in a safe and responsible manner. Which of the two is more organized? And why? How about for this table? Which of the two is more organized? And why? Arrange the jumbled letters to form a word. Did you got this right? Sorting data in Microsoft Excel is a fundamental skill that can help you organize and analyze information more effectively. Sorting in Excel can be very powerful, especially when dealing with large data sets, as it helps you quickly find and analyze the information you need. As you add more content to a worksheet, organizing this information becomes especially important. You can quickly reorganize a worksheet by sorting your data. For example, you can organize a list of contact information by last name. Content can be sorted alphabetically, numerically, and in several other ways. When sorting data, it's important to first decide if you want the sort to apply to the entire worksheet or just a cell range. The sort sheet. The purpose of this is to sort the entire sheet based on the column or row you choose. How it works: when you sort a sheet, Excel rearranges all rows in the sheet according to the values in the column you select for sorting. This option is useful when you want to maintain the integrity of your entire data set, including all columns and rows. Use Sort Sheet when you want to ensure that all data in your sheet remains aligned correctly, and you are working with a full dataset where every row should stay together. How to use Sort Sheet: first go to the Data tab on the ribbon and choose Sort. In the dialog box, then select Sort Sheet, and then specify the column you want to sort by. Sort Sheet organizes all of the data in your worksheet by one column. Related information across each row is kept together when the sort is applied. The sort range. The purpose of sort range is to sort a selected range of cells or a specific part of your sheet, rather than the entire sheet. How it works: when you sort a range, Excel only rearranges the rows within the selected range based on the column you choose. This option is useful if you only want to sort a portion of your data without affecting the entire sheet. Use sort range when you only need to sort a specific block of data and do not want to affect other unrelated data on the same sheet. How to use: select the range of cells you want to sort. Then, go to the Data tab, click Sort, and in the dialog box, you can specify your sorting criteria. The difference between sort sheet and sort range. In terms of scope of sorting, sort sheet affects the entire sheet. Sort range affects only the selected range of cells. In terms of data integrity, sort sheet maintains the relationship between all rows and columns. Sort range only maintains the relationship within the selected range, which might result in misalignment if other related data outside the range is not considered. In terms of usage context, sort sheet is ideal for larger datasets where you want to sort everything together. Sort range is suitable for smaller, more focused tasks where only a portion of the data needs to be sorted. Here is an example of sorting data by item. Arrange alphabetically, and by profit arrange from largest amount to smallest amount. This is how to do it. Follow this procedure in sorting the data by item and by profit. Follow the following procedure in sorting data using table. A custom sort in Microsoft Excel allows you to sort data based on criteria that go beyond the standard alphabetical or numerical order. This is particularly useful when you want to organize data in a specific sequence that doesn't fit typical sorting rules. Example of custom sort. Sorting by status. If you have a list of tasks with statuses, example, sort by not started, in progress, completed, you can sort them in that specific order instead of alphabetically. You can also custom sort by months. If you have a column with month names, you can sort them from January to December rather than alphabetically. Custom sorting is a powerful feature for organizing data in ways that make sense for your analysis or reporting needs. In summary, sorting data in Excel is vital for effective organization, analysis, and communication of information, leading to better insights and more efficient workflows.
A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.